Well, I think that sustainable investment has become popular with the rise in transparency. So a lot of people are thinking more about where their clothes have come from, where their food is made, and they're now looking at their savings and investments to align with their personal values and beliefs. So people care much more about their environmental impact these days. They care much more about labor and supply chain issues. And I think that now, given the strong performance that many sustainability funds have generated over the last 10 years versus mainstream benchmarks and peers, a lot of people are thinking that it just makes common sense. So the businesses which are positively aligned with the future and which are taking account of all of their stakeholders, these businesses are likely to be very well aligned for the future and generate very strong investment returns. Well, I would say that expectations and hopes around COP26 are two different things. So firstly, in terms of expectations, I expect to see a lot more cooperation, particularly with the US returning to the table and China as well. So expecting to see less of a zero-sum perspective from particularly the biggest players in the world. In terms of hopes, I would hope to see a ratcheting up of the absolute carbon emission reductions globally. I would also like to see real commitments behind that. So a policy around expanding, say, the European carbon taxes system rolled out around the world. That would be hope and an aspiration that I would have. But I'm cautiously optimistic about the output from COP26.